Sunday, 2nd of September, the Non Sequitur Show Arena. Pull out your protractors and P900s. It's the Flat Earth versus Globe Earth Model Slam, featuring the 2 against 1 cage match. In one corner, the Sultans of the Salton Sea, Nathan Gonzalez and Wendell. And in the other corner, the Claim Crusher himself, Sly Sparkane. In an experiment-rich debate hosted on the Non Sequitur Show. It's a race against the clock to see who could present the best evidence of their model. And to keep things fair, the debate will be moderated by none other than Stone Cold Sean Huffer.
Well, that was supposed to be the audio for the debate that was going to take place tomorrow, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Let me do a quick little recap here. On the 12th of August, I put out a video saying that I was calling any flat earther to a debate who has performed experimentation. I only received one person. That's Nathan Gonzalez, Bipolar Flat Earth. He was one of the guys who was part of the Salton Sea experiment, and he sounded all for it. He also requested that he would have Wendell by his side, so it was going to be 2 against 1. Doesn't bother me. It's less time for them to talk in the same time frame. Only in the last couple of days, there was a little bit of exchange back and forth between myself and Wendell, also between myself and Nathan Gonzalez. And I had stated to Wendell, I will be talking to Steve, that's Steve McRae from the Non Sequitur Show, to schedule for Sunday on the 2nd of September at 1800 UTC. To which Wendell replied, looking forward to the debate, offering no objections. Then I sent to both Wendell and Nathan Gonzalez, I have confirmation. Sunday, 2 September, 1800 UTC, 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Please be about 15 minutes early for connections and audio, blah, 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 blah. And then on the 28th of August, Nathan Gonzalez put out this video.
On the 2nd, I believe, which is on Sunday, me and Wendell are going to be in a debate with Sly Sparkane. I don't know if you guys know who that is. He's kind of the globe dude on YouTube. But we're going to be doing a debate on the Non Sequitur Show. And I'll let you guys know, like, specific times. We still got to coordinate, figure out what exact time. So that's really exciting.
Now, you'll also note that he mentioned something in there about Jeranism and them doing a test, and that test he wanted to use in the debate.
We are going to be heading out up north, Wendell and myself, to go to meet up with Jaren. We're going to help him out with doing another observation up there. And then we're going to use those findings to, in the debate, to present with our evidence, because Sly's whole thing is that he wanted to debate somebody who's done their own research, done their own experiments, and actually been out in the field. And you know, we've gone out to Salton Sea now, I think four times, 5 times. So definitely excited about that.
But as soon as I confirmed the date and time of the debate, all of a sudden there was all kinds of problems. Everybody seemed to have forgotten that Sunday actually means Sunday. Wendell, who a second ago said that he was looking forward to the debate after I told him what times I was looking for and he offered no objection, all of a sudden has to go to church during that time. And then Nathan apparently works on Sundays, and he was going to adjust his schedule, but he feels that he would have been exhausted during trying to debate, and then blames his withdrawal on me not sending him an email, even though he has made 24 posts on my channel since the beginning of this debate call. So basically, here I am with a slot open that Steve McRae was kind enough to adjust for me to have a debate with a flat earther who has experimental proof of flat earth, because of 2 flat earthers who, for trivial reasons, have withdrawn from the debate. Now, I personally think it has something to do with this. This is a live stream that is still waiting to start for the last 2 days on Jeranism's channel. It's still waiting, which tells me that the Salton Sea stuff wasn't enough, and whatever test it was that was supposed to happen with Jeranism didn't take place. But yet, Nathan wants to turn around and say that he didn't back out. If this debate doesn't go down, it's because of Sly's cowardice. I'm still here, dude. So here's what I'm doing. Just so you know, I'm giving everybody permission to mirror this as far and wide as you want to. There's an open mic for tomorrow, 2nd of September, 1800 UTC, for someone to debate me who has performed experimentation. Doesn't need to be the only thing you present, but who has performed experimentation and concludes that the Earth is flat. I open this up to people like Globebusters, FE Core, Dr. Zach, Sun and Moon Family United, Mr. Thrive and Survive, who also has an open debate call but has not responded to anybody who has accepted his call, D. Marble, Anthony Riley, Ranty Flat Earth, and hell, even Antonio Subarets has performed experimentation, but yet has not come up to be accountable for his experimentation. Now, I would also like to extend this out to people like Russian Vids and Jeranism and Nathan Oakley, but let's just be honest, none of them have any experimentation, and as a matter of fact, even Jeranism proved that. So, I got an open mic. Comment below. Tell me that you want to debate me and show me that you have done experimentation, and I'm all for it. This will happen on the Non Sequitur Show on the 2nd of September at 1800 UTC. No, it's not going to be we're going to put the link out or anything like that. This is, you will acknowledge that you are going to be part of the debate, and then we'll set that up at that time. And if not, I don't want to hear anything from any flat earther who claims to have experimental proof if they're not willing to stand up and be held accountable for your results. Y'all have a nice day.
Oh my god.